How did the horse die of electrocution the night before the 2026 Kentucky State Fair? The cause was a shocking combination of faulty wiring and unexpected weather, revealing hidden dangers behind the scenes. The night before the 2026 Kentucky State Fair, workers were preparing the stables for the upcoming event. Unfortunately, some electrical cables used for lighting and equipment were damaged or poorly insulated. These live wires were dangerously close to the horse's stall, creating a hazardous environment. Horses are curious animals and can easily come into contact with exposed wiring if proper barriers are not in place. As evening fell, a sudden thunderstorm rolled through the fairgrounds, soaking the area with rain. Water is a great conductor of electricity, and the wet ground allowed electrical current to spread where it normally wouldn't. The combination of exposed wiring and rain turned the stable area into a deadly trap. This increased the likelihood that the horse would receive a fatal shock simply by touching the ground or stall structure. When the horse made contact with the electrified surface or wiring, electric current flowed through its body. This current interfered with the horse's heart rhythm and nervous system, causing immediate cardiac arrest. Electrocution in large animals happens quickly and can be fatal with surprisingly little exposure time. Sadly, the horse died instantly, unable to escape the electric shock. This tragic accident highlighted the need for strict safety protocols at large events with animals. Regular inspections of electrical systems, proper weatherproofing, and secure barriers can prevent similar incidents. The fair organizers have since implemented new guidelines to protect animals and people from hidden electrical hazards. Awareness of how electricity behaves in wet environments is critical for safe event planning. The shocking death of the horse before the 2026 Kentucky State Fair was a tragic reminder of how dangerous faulty wiring and weather can be. Understanding how electrocution happens helps us prevent future accidents at fairs and farms. If you want surprising answers to questions you never thought to ask, hit subscribe and keep learning with us every day.